Hi everyone, my name is Badr. I'm a web developer at Alpha Strategy, and today we'll give you a little bit of walkthrough to how you can optimize your images so they can show up on your website with speed. So what you want to do first is find some good quality images, or if you have images that you took yourself from a good camera, you can put them on your computer. Over here I'm gonna look for an image, say this one for example. Go over here and download that. So right now I just downloaded this image, and if I go right click on it, go all the way down to properties, I look over here on the size, and this is way too big. I don't want that to be on my website because that size image will slow down the website. It will not have as many viewers. So a tool we like to use is called bulk resize images. We'll go over here, and over here to choose images, go locate your image, open it up. Then for file size, we want to set that generally to be around 300. You can go over a little bit, that's okay, depending on the image, but I like to set it at like 320-ish. And I start that. I've got a new image, download it, and then I go look at it. Look at that, I got 318 kilobytes. This image is good to be put on your website, because that way you will have more viewers, because obviously your website is fast and nobody wants to browse a slow website.